Swag. He doesn't do it this try. He broke his ankle. Get in this right here. Are you okay, buddy?
Sprained it.
You did the Matthew. Go for gold, okay? Go for gold.
Go for gold!
How do you feel about this?
I probably didn't sprain it. I just landed on it.
Good shit. Do you feel good? Zur, look at me. Stop, Zur. Smile for the camera. Smile for the camera. Smile, dude.
Zuhair, do it again.
Do you want to stop filming?
Oh, this fucking tree got my...
I know, that's why. Alright, I'll stop filming.